Hi friends, welcome back to my physics channel once again. In this video, we'll be discussing another important NEET examination problems that is regarding circular motion or circular kinematics. Okay? Board में చూడండి ఒకసారి. If angular velocity of a particle depends on the angle rotated theta as omega is equal to theta square plus 2 theta. Are you following the question here regarding circular motion? ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? If the angular velocity of the particle then may depends upon the angle rotation theta as omega is equal to theta square plus 2 theta, then its angular acceleration alpha at theta is equal to 1 radian is equal to dash. A 8 radians per second square, B 10 radian per second square, C 12 radian per second square, D none. Now how to solve such problems? Solution చూడండి. Solution. ఇక్కడ వాడు ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? If the angular velocity of the particle depends upon the angle theta, అంటే is given omega is equal to theta square plus 2 theta. This is the given equation. So omega is depending upon theta అని ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు. Then the angular acceleration alpha at theta is equal to 1 radian అన్నాడు. అంటే it's a typical question. So how to get alpha now? Alpha అంటే definition ఏంటి? You can define by d omega by dt. Rate of angular velocity is equal to angular acceleration and rate of angular displacement is equal to angular velocity. So for this equation what I will do is, to get the actual answer, I will multiply and divide with d theta. Okay na? Here what I am doing, I will multiply and divide. You can see multiply and divide by d theta. So ఇక్కడ multiply చేసాను, divide చేసాను, there is no problem. Multiply and divide, there is nothing. Cancel చేస్తే equal to 1. Now observe carefully what is happening. So alpha is equal to, now what is here? You can see ఈ d omega by d theta you can take one term. అలాగే d theta by dt you can take another term. జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. You can separate the terms now. ఎలా చూడండి ఒకసారి. d omega by d theta. This is one term into another one is d theta by dt. You can see when you cancel d theta, d omega by dt. So like this I am changing, I am manipulating. Now see what is happening. Alpha is equal to, what is d theta by dt? We already know, since rate of angular displacement is equal to angular velocity omega. So ఈ ప్లేస్ లో omega రాయొచ్చు. Omega into d omega by d theta. Now the problem becomes easy. చూడండి, సొల్యూషన్ ఈజీ అయిపోయింది కదా. Now alpha is equal to omega. Omega already ఇచ్చాడు కదా, ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? You can see theta square plus 2 theta is omega into d by d theta of omega, అంటే d by d theta of omega. Omega ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు మళ్ళీ? You can write down here theta square plus 2 theta. Clear? So therefore alpha is equal to theta square plus 2 theta into derivative of this function with respect to theta, d by d theta of this function. So with respect to theta ఎలా వస్తుంది? 2 theta n into exponent minus 1 plus 2. Clear? Now multiply. Alpha is equal to, or you can put the value here. Theta is equal to 1 radian. Put it here. 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 2 into theta again 1 radian plus 2. Therefore alpha is equal to 1 square plus 2 into 1 2. 1 square and 1 kada. You need it again square. 1 square and 1 plus 2 into 2 into 1 2 plus 2. So alpha is equal to 2 plus 1 and 3 into 2 plus 2 4. So how much? 4 3s are 12. So 12 radian per second square. Check చేసుకోండి. A 8, B 10, C 12. So 12 is the answer. So this is the answer. 12 radian per second square is the alpha value, that is angular acceleration. See, ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు యూ హ్యావ్ టు మ్యానిపులేట్ ద ఫార్ములా, డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెనాట్ గో. ఓకేనా? దట్స్ ఇట్, అండ్ అగైన్ విల్ మీట్ ఇన్ ద అనదర్ నైస్ వీడియో.